Hey there! In today's video, we're diving deep into some of the coolest 3D printers on the market in 2024. Whether you're just getting started in 3D printing or you're looking to upgrade, we've got some fantastic models to discuss, so let's get started. The 6 best 3D printers of 2024. Number 6, Creality Ender S1. First up, the Creality Ender S1. This printer might seem like your standard entry-level machine, but let me tell you, it packs a punch with features that are anything but basic. It boasts a dual-gear spritty extruder that can handle up to 300 tile deck, perfect for those high-temperature materials. It also comes equipped with a filament runout sensor, CR touch auto-leveling, and a 4.3-inch touchscreen, which makes it super user-friendly. Set up about an hour, and you're good to go. Now, while its auto-leveling feature did give me mixed results initially, a quick manual tweak really dialed things in. I've been printing with materials like PETG, PLA, and TPU, and the quality has been top-notch. Fast, quiet, and capable of handling detailed prints beautifully. The Ender S1 is a solid choice for anyone looking to explore a wide range of materials. Number 5, Cubic Cobra 2 Pro. Moving on to the nCubic Cobra 2 Pro. If speed and stability are your game, this printer is your player. It's one of the fastest out there, with a whopping 500mm print speed and 20K acceleration. It's a bit smaller than some other printers in its class, but thanks to its SG15 bearings and dual Z lead screw with a single Z motor, it offers great rigidity and lightweight performance. Plus, the automatic leveling and nozzle cleaning make it a breeze for beginners. Number 4, Neptune 4 Pro. Next, let's talk about the Benz Neptune 4 Pro. This model is a budget-friendly beast with features like dual Z axis for higher accuracy and options for filament spool mounting. Its extruder uses a smaller, lighter motor, which allows for quicker movement and faster prints. And the segmented heated bed? A real energy saver. The touchscreen interface is super intuitive, and the integration with Clipper software on a Raspberry Pi-like single-board computer adds a whole new level of advanced features, making it ideal for both newcomers and pros alike. Number 3, Bamboo P1S. Next, we have the Bamboo P1S model. The P1S keeps all the goodies from the P1P model, but adds a Core XY setup for more stability and faster printing. It also stands out with its built-in camera and easy setup process. Its sleek design and enclosed structure make it perfect for working with TUF materials thanks to better temperature control and part cooling. The automatic material supply. AMS units make changing filaments a breeze and help you manage color changes more efficiently. Number 2, FlashForge Adventurer 3. The Adventurer 3 continues to be a reliable and easy-to-use printer for beginners. Since our first review, it's been upgraded with new software and supports various slicing programs. These updates have helped it keep up with current tech standards. The limitation with small filament spools has been fixed with a printed extension accessory, but considering the high noise level and some print quality issues, you might want to look at other options if you need higher quality. Still, for newbies, its affordability and easy setup keep it as a tempting choice. Number 1, Creality K1 Max. Last but not least, let's dive into the Creality K1 Max. This machine has exceeded all expectations with its large print capacity and fast printing capabilities. Frank, from the channel, has been testing this printer and has successfully printed high-quality, full-size helmets in just about 25-26 hours. It's an excellent pick for large-scale projects. Let's also talk about what to look out for when buying a 3D printer. Let's dive right in. First, print resolution. Super important for detailed designs. Higher resolution means crisper details. Next, print speed. Remember, faster isn't always better as it can affect print quality. Look for a good balance. Then, material compatibility. Check if the printer supports the types of filaments you want to use, like PLA, ABS, or more exotic ones. Consider the build volume too. Make sure it fits the size of the projects you plan to print. Lastly, don't overlook connectivity. Wi-Fi, USB, SD card. Pick what's best for your setup. And that's it. Quick and simple tips for choosing the right 3D printer. Hit like if this helped and subscribe for more tips. Drop any questions below. Catch you in the next video. All right, that wraps up our roundup of some of the top 3D printers hitting the scene in 2024. Whether you're looking for something budget-friendly, super fast, or capable of handling large prints, there's definitely a printer out there for you. Thanks for tuning in, and make sure to hit that subscribe button if you want to keep up with all the latest in tech reviews.